Welcome to Praxie Best Practices. I'm Soren Kaplan, co-founder of Praxie.com. The Gemba Walk is an important Six Sigma methodology. It was originally created by Toyota, and it's really focused on getting executives and managers out on the shop floor to understand what's going on and what could be improved, and interacting and engaging with those in the process to understand what the opportunities are. So what you really want to do is you want to figure out who should go out on the floor in terms of a small team of managers, and then identify the theme you want to focus on. So are you going to focus on a specific process step? Are you going to focus on a specific product? What might it be? You also want to prepare those who are on the line so that they understand that they're going to be talked to and that that's going to happen, during a certain day and time, so that everyone's ready. Then what you could do is you want to go out and you want to look at all the process elements that go into whatever you're looking at. You want to focus not on the person, but on the process. So if something's not working well, it's not about the person. It's really about the process that's being used and how to understand opportunities to improve it. So as you make your observations, as you're walking around, you want to gather data, you want to gather information, you want to identify what some opportunities are. You can go back and meet with a small team and kind of list off what you think your priorities are. What you have an opportunity to do is essentially itemize and rank and score all of those items that you found, so that then you can prioritize what needs to be fixed, what you might create a project around using perhaps the DMAIC approach and methodology, and then implement those to address any problems you've found. So the Gemba Walk is just a really great way to gather data and then help prioritize what your opportunities for process improvement are. For more best practice templates and applications, visit Praxie.com.